In this video, we'll be diving into the speed garage sounds of the upcoming artist Silva Bumpa. So if you want to make speed garage like Silva Bumpa, you need three simple things: the bounce, the bass, and energetic vocals. Most producers get one of these right, but none of them nail all the three. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact drum groove, bass sound design, and arrangement that creates that signature UK energy. So let's straight dive into it. So let's start off with a kick and bass, the most vital part of the speed garage track. I got this preset loaded up, but let's deconstruct it. So first, two harmonic morph wavetables, -2 octaves, and fine tune them opposite of each other for a detuned effect. Sounding like this. We also got a clean sub for some stable harmonics. Now we're gonna mix it. So first some hyper, distort it, make the low in mono. Then the key of the sound, completely bump it up with the OTT. EQ for some more high end. Reverb and delay combined with a mod wheel. And some final compression to boost the gain some more. Sounding like this. So now we're gonna dive into MIDI. We are working in D sharp minor, but we're gonna start off on the 5th note of the scale. So go all the way up to B, then down to the 5th. Swinging around the octaves. Then just duplicate it and make variation. And let it glide down back to root. So this will be our bass foundation. Now we need to combine it with a kick. So open up the speed sample pack. It's a perfect one for this speed garage vibe. Go to the kick loops. And let's go for this punchy one. Something like this. And of course we need to sidechain the bass, so drop in a big kickstart. Open up the mid some more. Bass. And then mix the kick and bass together with some compression. And R bass to really bring out the sub. Just like this. So that's it for the kick and bass. Now we're gonna continue with the drums. So let's pick some drum loops from the pack. Go to the top loops. This one got a groovy speed garage vibe. Sounding like this. It's lacking a bit of hi-hat, so let's go to the one shots. Drop in a open hat. That's already better, but it misses something. I think the clap could be louder as well, so let's stack it with another top loop. This one got a punchy snare. And mix it in around here. So it's really easy to do it with the drum loops, but it gets such a nice groove already. Load up my new Slammer plugin. It's the perfect one for drum bass mixing. So first add some punch. Around here. Then some warm glue. Bit of air. And some small distortion with the pounds. Taking it from this to this without increasing the loudness. Actually it's decreasing, so such a game changer for me to have a Slammer plugin. And then to finish off the drums, I added this little fill with the snares and crashes. So altogether the drums sound like this. We got a foundation ready, so now we're gonna spice it up some more with some Synths steps. Let's drop in a new serum. Go to the Speed 2 pack and let's search for some plugs. Let's go for this one. It's my favorite one in the pack. Let's start off on the root note. Duplicate it and make small variation at the other, just to keep it interesting. And let's drop in another one. Just got a little bit too much low end, so remove the lows. And make it stereo. And sidechain it. Yeah, together with the bass, that sounds way better. So then I added this string, sounding like this, and just dropping a steady note at a root note. So altogether our synth fills sound like this. We got the drop ready, so now we're gonna dive into build up. First, let's pick a vocal from the pack. Let's go for this UK rap vocal. Perfectly fits the vibe of the track. It's an F minor, so let's pitch it down 2 semitones to get it in D sharp. Something like this. And mix it some more. First, remove the low end. Open up the high end with fresh air. And some reverb and delay. And automate the sidechain to only have it enabled in drop. And just cut up the vocal some more. Also combine it with the local animation. Like this, copy the value and create a clip right here at the drum fills. And let's do the same in the build up. So now we need to fill up the build up some more because this is just empty vocal. So drop it into a serum and go to the basses. Let's go for this one and follow the MIDI we made earlier and an octave switch, of course. And see how it sounds together with the vocal. I hear the speakers calling me. Real love, get it all for free. Back then couldn't afford no lease. Drop back in the string. Up and they notice me. Blacked out but they still notice me. Real love, get it. And copy over the drums. I hear the speakers calling me. Real love, get it all for free. Back then couldn't afford no lease. So we're also gonna add a build up to it, so I hear the speakers calling me. Real love, get it all for free. Back then couldn't afford no lease. Now I pull up and they notice me. Blacked out but they still notice me. The lifestyle don't let me go to sleep. I start collar, they all try holler. She want my number. Go. Yeah, that's perfect. So then I added this plug from the pack. And I create a really simple rhythm. I hear the speakers calling me. Real love, get it all for free. And to finish off the build up, small uplifter. So that's how you make a speed garage track like artist as Silva Bumpa. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, hit the subscribe button, and I see you all in the next videos. I hear the speakers calling me. Real love, get it all for free. Back then couldn't afford no lease. Now I pull up and they notice me. Blacked out but they still notice me. The lifestyle don't let me go to sleep. I start collar, they all try holler. She want my number. Girl, don't bother.